Hi everybody, today we're going to talk about percentages, including discounts, taxes, commissions, and sales. We have one basic formula that we're going to use for all of our problems. To get the percent, we are going to divide the part by the whole. We can also write that as the part of the whole equals a percent, where I use the percentage symbol, and we can rearrange this formula to get that the part is equal to the percent of the whole. So let's take a look at some problems and see how we can use these formulas. To start, a large tech company has 85,000 employees. If 11,900 of the employees are software engineers, find the percent of the employees that represents. We're going to use our formula that the part of the whole is a percent, where we can see that the part is 11,900 and the whole is 85,000. We form our ratio of 11,900 over 85,000, which comes out to 0.14. I'm going to write that as 14%. So this tells us 14% of the 85,000 employees are software engineers. Our next problem says a university has 2,400 online students and 1,100 on-campus students. What percent of students are online? This time, we don't know the total number of students, so our first step is going to be to add 2,400 and 1,100 to get our total of 3,500. Now we can put the part of 2,400 over the whole of 3,500. That gives us 0.6857, which is equal to 68.57%. Let's take a look at tipping. How much would a 20% tip cost for a $45 haircut? This time, we need to use the formula, the percent of the whole equals the part. Our percent is 20%, our whole is 45, then our part will be equal to the tip. We need to write 20% as a decimal, so we write 0.20. When we multiply by 45, we find out that our tip should be $9. Let's use our formula to figure out a discount. We're given that a washing machine with an original price of $1,350 is on sale at 20% off. Let's find the discount amount. Like the last problem, we'll start by taking 20% and writing it as a decimal. We have 0.20 times the whole amount of $1,350. When we multiply that together, we get $270. Remember, this is the amount of the discount, it's not the sale price. So to find the sales price, we're going to subtract the $270 from the original price of $1,350. This gives us a sales price of $1,080. Let's look at discounts in a different way. This time we're told a television originally priced at $950 is on sale for $741, and we want to find the percent of the discount. The first thing we'll do is find the discount amount. We'll subtract 741 from 950 to get 209. The 209 is our part, the 950 was our whole. When we divide that, we get 0.22, which says this is a 22% discount. Another application of percentages are sales tax. Sales tax is an amount charged based on the price of an item. To find the tax, we multiply the price of the item by the tax rate. Let's find the tax rate on a car that costs $37,500, given the sales tax is 8.25%. To start, we'll rewrite 8.25% as a decimal. We'll have 0.0825. We're going to multiply that by the price of the car, which was $37,500, which says the taxes are $3,093.75. If we then want to find the total cost of the car, meaning the price plus the taxes, we would add the tax to the original amount of the car. This says $37,500 plus $3,093.75 is equal to $40,593.75. If the car salesperson receives a 3% commission on the $37,500, let's find the commission amount. We know that 3% needs to be written as a decimal, which is 0.03. We'll multiply the 0.03 times the whole price of the car, $37,500, which says the commission was $1,125. Now that we've covered a variety of problems, you're ready to go practice and see what you've learned.